Welcome again to another episode of Personal Injury Talk South Africa. With me again today is Mr. Marco Motlalogan.
Thank you, Mr. Nell, and thank you for inviting me again. Mr. Nell, what are the different types of damages that a person can claim from the RAF?
Marco, we have to make the distinction between a situation where a person was injured in his personal capacity. Under those circumstances, he would be able to claim for past medical expenses, future medical expenses, loss of earnings, loss of earning capacity, and general damages if he qualifies. Where a person loses a spouse or a breadwinner, that person would be able to claim for loss of support and also for funeral expenses.
You mentioned future medical expenses. How do you determine that?
Nwaku, we determine future medical expenses by making use of experts in a particular field. For instance, orthopedic surgeons, they put on prosthetic shoes and give us an indication of what that person's requirements will be in the future in medical terms. And then the Road Accident Fund usually tenders future medical expenses by way of a certificate. It works like a medical aid, and that person can then, after the matter has become settled, claim for anything related to that particular accident and the injuries occurred in that specific accident. In other words, you won't be able to claim for a flu or anything not related to the accident, but the certificate is something to cherish and is of value to the victim.
Okay, Mr. Nell, thank you very much. I think that answers my question. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Marco.
Award-winning law firm Hartnell Incorporated has made a name for itself as one of the leaders in personal injury claims, and specifically claims against the Road Accident Fund and medical negligence cases. Hartnell Incorporated, the personal injury lawyers.